Hey, this is Deb with Blue Sea Star Designs, and I am here to show you or introduce my newest quilt pattern, and that is the 3 o'clock field goal pattern. And it's got a field goal shape. That's the majority of the piecing that you'll do. Then it's got right here, a little football shaped block, and that's using foundation paper piecing. It's only one block, so if it's not perfect, it's not a big deal because it's a flying football, so it should have a little motion. And then over on the side, you can do applique for your team name. I did Florida Gators here. I'll pop up a picture. I did the University of South Carolina, the Gamecocks. You could also do high school. School I went to was Kennedy High. And you could also do a professional team like the Kansas City Chiefs and just put the city name. So there's lots of versatility. You can make, the 3 o'clock field goal for high school football, college football, professional football, any of them. And it's perfect for tailgating or sitting on cold bleachers for, a Friday night football game for high school. And I hope you check it out. And if you make it, it's going to be beautiful. I can't wait to see pictures of them all. Thanks and have a good day.